I invite you to disrespect etiquette to enhance your access. On Zoom, there's a scruffy white person in a neon green beanie and big headphones, with a white ASL interpreter against a dark background. Now, white text on a black screen. Access is a series offered by artist-organizer Kevin Gotkin and Creatives Rebuild New York. In the summer of 2023, we recorded 4 Zoom-based programs about access design as a set of organizing methods and artistic materials. The screen fills with snippets from the recordings. Speakers and ASL interpreters pop in and out with teasers of what they shared.
And that kind of work feels very good to me, because that means that we are not creating out of duress, but we're creating out of curiosity, out of desire, and out of time and abundance.
You know, we find ourselves looking for disability history in the margins, the people who were overlooked. But time and again, disabled people are right there in the canon and in the center.
But I think this form of access that I'm looking at is an abolitionist access that's a little bit differently rooted in race, class, and cultural specificity.
Access ecologies can guide us into a kind of mindfulness practice of our relationship to surroundings that could undo the alienation of ableism.
Manifesting disability culture has also meant rethinking the gallery in numerous ways, including digitally.
While it's not easy, it can definitely be done. And it may not be perfect again the first time you do it, but it's a process that you can work together with folks with disabilities to come up with something that everyone can understand.
And I became interested in the title Access for this series as an imperative, an affirmation, kind of a chant. Check out the materials from each event, including the recording in English and Spanish, graphic notation, links, slide decks, vocabulary, participation guides, and more.